நான் பாட்டு பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா
yeah.
Okay, நானும் மறந்துட்டேன் ஷேர் பண்றதுக்கு பாத்தீங்களா. Okay, so we will start off with USD chef. We will start off with USD chef. So basically what I'm trying to tell is that, okay, this morning analysis is just give you a glance through of how the market going to react later on once the UK and US market opens. Okay, so by looking here, you can see from last week, you know, when you see last week the market is on the uptrend, then what happened? The market turned the trend, you know, so the trend of it made a U-turn. You saw the market already made a U-turn. So when the market made a U-turn, then we can know that the market is now on the downtrend. That means it's trying to approach on a downtrend because the price is moving below this 200 EMA now. So the price is moving below 200 EMA. Okay, so it will on the downtrend. So when you go downtrend, so I need to look for the position of sell. Okay, the best position that I can sell is that I need to find a strong resistance for the price to get a bounce back, you know, from this particular position, you know. So the best position that it can be bounced. So normally I say, as I told you, so you can see the longest tip here. So that is one of my I look at that. Okay, so the moment I put at the longest tip here, you can see is coincide with all this. Previously this particular position become a strong support. You saw it become a strong support. Then there's a breakout here.
Connection problem, sir.
Connection, whose mine? Mine or yours? Mine seems okay all here. All okay or not? Hello? 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 Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Sorry, because I'm having this, I don't know why, some reason for few days, I'm having this connection problem here in the internet. Both my data and even my Wi-Fi and hotel here. Okay, so you said I think so this is on a sell trend USD chef, you know, by looking at the on the chart, the price is below the 200 EMA. So I just need to look for the best selling opportunity. So the best selling opportunity, as I told you, I always go to the tip of the week, the longest week here. You can see here. So when I draw a line, okay, coincide with that particular thing, then you just scroll down. Previously you saw that the price is, but I drawn the line not based on this. I draw the line based on this particular, the longest tip here. Okay, so now, but when you see scroll down, is that particular thing become a strong support earlier on. You can see the price is been respecting the support, break here, came back and tried to support, and it started moving up. So now this can be a strong resistance. Now the price can go to this particular level and bounce back. Okay, the price, there's a possibilities. I'm not telling that it will happen, but there's a possibilities by looking at the technical analysis that we have. So that the price can go to this level and bounce back down because it's still on a downtrend. So now the price can move up to this place, then come down again. Okay, so then we see how the market going to be unfold later on in the evening. But when you want to find an entry, as I told you, you find the entry using your 15 minutes or a 15-minute chart time frame, which I will guide you again. I think I got few recording describing about the super trend that we're going to use to find our entry. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that as well. So then make sure that every one of you really understand how to use this particular super trend for your disposal. Okay, so today I want you all to do that, use that, fine, you wonder you got small profit, is try to be happy, because I'm not going to give you a signal, but I want people that who are committed and taking a responsibility on the particular pair, give the idea when is the buy, best sell, or I just want to see how that it goes, is it? But even though you get that thing, make sure that you do your own due diligence and enter the market, make some profit and out of the market. Okay, so that's how that you can become an independent trader. Okay, so this is on a USD chart. So USD chart will be the best selling position, will be that this particular position, and then it's a best selling position. Okay, so USD chart on a sell today in the early morning, it might go up trend, then come down again. Okay, later in the evening. So USD Canada, okay, USD Canada, okay, is respecting that particular line. You saw that or not? It's been respecting here. So USD Canada is price is above the moving average. So that's the, I can say it's on an uptrend. Okay, so I said normally I go for the tip of the tip of the lowest, the longest tip. You saw that or not? So when I draw the lines here, this is will be my buying position. USD Canada will be my buying position. Okay, so this is the see, when I draw to tip, it's respecting here, this become a strong resistance. I think it's already respected once, so it can go to that position and go, then it can go to the down on this particular line, respecting the moving average. So basically this by looking at the chart, the price is above the EMA. USD Canada, the price is above the EMA. So according to our technical analysis, the price is more to uptrend. It's still more to uptrend. It's not downtrend yet. So this will be my best buying position. Okay, around here, maybe I take just okay, that will be just taking a just between here somewhere, so that is nearer to here. Then I can go here. Yes. Okay, so this can be my the best buying position for this particular pair, where the price can retract, after this particular price. Okay, so that's the possibilities. Okay, that will be the possibilities for USD Canada. USD Canada, the possibilities will be this is the position. The possibilities will be here. Okay, the price will respect this particular place and start moving up. It started moving up now, but it will we will see for the pullback. Okay, so that will be on USD Canada. By just looking at the chart, we know that it's an uptrend. Okay, when we see USD Japan, so USD Japan, when you see the chart, is basically on a downtrend. Okay, because the price is below the moving average. The price is below the moving average, and then when you say the price is moving below the moving average, we need to find the best selling position. We need to find a best selling position. Where should I enter the trade? Where should I enter the trade for me to enter for sell? So to enter in the sale, so try to look, as I told you, you need to try. Okay, hello guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry for today.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for today. Is something wrong with my internet. It's beyond my control. It's getting disconnected and on and off. Okay. So, okay, now USD Japan, we are going on the USD Japan. So USD Japan, basically when you see the price, it's below the moving average. So the best position will be, I need to short the pair, shorting the pair to the best position, that I feel is to enter the trade. So the best position that what I can see from here, and I don't see because here is difficult for me to see. I can see the longest tip here, whether I can bring it here. Okay, so why I take this one? Because here I couldn't, I just look, I go to previous, wait, just cancel this. Somebody help mic, try to the mics. Okay, so the best selling position, I just grab it. Let me delete all these lines here interfering my okay, you saw that or not? So I just took the tip here. I find this will be my the resistance that it's going to test. So that will be my best selling position. Okay, so I prefer to go in USD CHF. I prefer to go to sell. I like to take a sell opportunity because it's much more safer than taking a buy. Okay, that's why in USD Japan, that is my thing, because I always go to USD Japan on a sell. Try to go on sell. Because one thing, the reason being the price is being at the tip. 110 is at the tip, understand not? So it's much more safer for you to sell than you enter a buy. So remember that. So USD Japan is much more safer to enter a sell than entering a buy. Okay, because eventually the price will come down, but for the price to go up, it's difficult. So that's why I say the best selling position for this particular USD Japan will be at this particular position. This will be my best selling position. Okay, and position or area. Okay, and the price will move this direction after doing some kind of pullback, some kind of pullback to this area. So that will be my best selling position for USD CHF. Okay, so USD CHF will be that, my selling range will be from 110.339. Okay, above until this will be my best selling position. So any position here will be my best selling position, but still we need to go and fine tune in a 15-minute chart later on once the market open, on UK market open, how the price going to react. Okay, so Great Britain, Japan. Okay, Great Britain, Japan. If you ask me, it's started to move on a buy position. Buying position as well, and even Great Britain, Japan, I like to take, because the price, when you look at the price 1.353 is a quite I can say quite a high price at the moment. Is creating to an all-time high price, even though the highest price that is went on 1555. Okay, so at the moment it's created uptrend. It started creating an uptrend because the price is started maneuvering above that above this 200 EMA, 200 EMA. Okay, the moment I say the moment the price is above that moment, that means we go for. But here you need to have a pay extra attention here. So maybe that particular 200 moving EMA can break out, and in the market can make a U-turn again. So if I want to find a best opportunity for me to enter the market, the best opportunity for me to enter the market, so I need to find the best possible position, the best possible position by looking at that. When you're looking at I need to go for buy on this particular pair. Okay, the best position, if I am not really happy on this particular because I couldn't get anything, okay, much. But if you I take the longest tip here, you saw the longest tip that here, the very clear long tip here. So I just mark there. Okay, then I just try to scroll down. Okay, then I can see, yes, it's creating some kind of rejection here, then creating a support here, support. So I can say that will be my best buying position for Great Britain, Japan, by just looking at the chart. If let's say I want to put the indicator, 1 hour indicator, you want to put the indicator and find out, yes, it's trying to coincide around that. That's the buying, no much difference, from here to here. Is about, yeah, it's basically 150 pips. Okay, so that is my from my naked eye, that where is my best buying position. So my best buying position will be that. Okay, let me delete this. So that will be my best buying position. So best buying position will be that particular position. I just mark here. Okay, so we're expecting the price to bounce back from this area, then you can earn few pips there. Okay, so that will be my the position for me to enter. If you want to enter Great Britain, but still you need to fine tune on the lower time frame, okay, later on in the evening, when you get the opportunity. We go through that again later on. After we are done, we covered these 7 pairs. Okay, so far everybody okay, isn't it? Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. So let us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we go to Great Britain USD. So Great Britain USD, okay, basically the price is on uptrend. Okay, he broke the you saw that EMA here, and created a uptrend. So the price is the tendency of the price to move up higher is there. Okay, so the best position for me to enter the market, I can look, the position will be somewhere here. That is a long rundown. Okay, you can see a long rundown. To count this, that's about 600 pips. Okay, but what we need to follow, we need to respect. So the another position that we can look, this another buying position as well. Okay, so this is another buying position for you to enter. So let us be on a safer. The lower that you buy is much more better than you buying at the high. Okay, so that's why I said I like to take the lowest that is good, so you're on safe side. If the price go to that range, you want to enter the price, that will be the very good range. Okay, but still we try to fine tune. Don't blindly follow on our morning analysis that we are doing, because we don't know how the market going to react later on, because this is based on hourly chart, and the market can do a different reaction later on. Okay, that's why we fine tune on the 15-minute chart how the market going to go at pinpoint. Where should I enter the trade later on. Okay, so then you will I will guide you on that again as well, how that you need to look, what the things that you need to look. Okay, so this will be my best buying position, okay, for this particular pair, Great Britain USD. because that can be a two thing, because it can go, it can respect here, the price can reject from this position, or the price can come down here and start moving up. Okay, that's a two-way here. The price can come down to this level, then after that, then it started moving back again after respecting this particular zone here. So this will be the best buying position for my Great Britain USD. So if you look at the trend, okay, it's not much, you know, you can say it's around here. Okay, it's basically around that area that it's going to respect. Okay, let's see how the market going to react later on. Okay, that will be my Great Britain USD. So Euro USD, okay, is another uptrend again. You see the market respected, broke that particular the EMA, and is creating uptrend. So basically that's a golden, very easy for you all to look, understand where the moment the price is above, rule of the thumb is above the moving average, then we just try to find the best buying position, you know, the best buying position for that particular pair. Okay, instead of going for shorting, you know, because you will be much, you know, in a better better range. So the best buying position I can take around here. So that will be, it's not much. Okay, that will be my best buying position, because that is created a strong support here. You see, it created a strong support here, broke the support and made a resistance here, say broke. So there's possibilities that it might respect this particular zone, then this become our the support here. Okay, this can become our support here by looking at the previous history, that how that the market bounced back from that particular area. Okay, how the market been bounced back. So this can be the best buying position for this particular pair, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD, the best buying position will be that particular position. This will be the best buying position. Okay, so then the price, so that will be my buying position. Okay, and prior, before that, the market can make a, this will be my the best buying position. Okay, so that will be in the Euro USD. Okay, when I try to put a mark here, see how, see exactly, you know, you saw that or not? So the trend is coming exactly at this particular point. So this will be our best buying position. Okay, so I just remove that. So you know, Euro USD is good for buy, good for the buy. Okay, and Australia USD, okay, the price is on selling on is near to that moving average, is more to sell. That means we need to find but you saw that or not? If anything that the gap, we saw a big gap, people will see this particular gap, that when the market open, okay, you can see the gap that is created, okay, when a new day started, and so on. So sometimes it will give you a gap, then started the price will go other way up, you know. So it can, this gap can be two things. A lot of people say the gap, when the gap is created, and then the price will start moving down. Okay, so but it did move down, understand not, but that gap can create a momentum as well, you know. It can create a momentum for the price to go much more higher. So that's why I said, so by looking at the morning analysis, so it can be a two different interpretation. Here the interpretation two different interpretation with a two different way of looking things and all that. When a price, there's a gap created, the price tendency there's want to go down. But another thing, by the creating the gap, the price can go other way around as well, because it's creating a momentum, you know, it's giving you a false indication, giving you a false indication. So the price, you know, can go other way around. So this is the few things that you need to observe. Okay, you need to observe in the market instead of just entering the market without any clue. Okay, the best thing is that what I can say is that instead of looking for the sell, I might look for a buy in this particular pair. I need to see where will be the best buying position now. So you saw the tip here, so the tip here, so this can be my best buying position. Okay, even though it give me, so you saw this, it will be my best buying position. Okay, I will wait for the pair to come down further down, okay, before it started moving up. Okay, so that can be my best buying position. Okay, because the price tend to go here, you know, to this tip. This is the best tip that I can see. Okay, and started the price start to going up. Okay, so this is the analysis that I find for. But when you see the super trend, I don't know. So let's say the super trend. Oh, still see exactly on a buy trend as well. Okay, so the super trend even giving the same indication, the place that I drawn here. Okay, so this is will be my best buying position for my basically. Why you ask me why I took that particular decision? Because that with this thing, because when I go opposite, when it's created a gap, and so instead of, you know, the price to move down, you know, price is still move, yes, move down, and so no, is giving, is showing you some kind of signal. The momentum of bull is started to be created here. That means it will started giving you a false indication for a lot of people, telling that other way. You know, a lot of people like to follow other way, telling a gap is created, so I just put a sell, you know, intention to make. But my way of looking things, when I see a gap, and say not, it can go other way around. Okay, so let's see how the market unfold later in the evening. For you to enter this trade, as I told you, go back on the 15-minute. Okay, we will look on that. Okay, we will look on the 15-minute, how that we refresh again the memory on the 15 minutes, how that we want to find the entry point, you know. And today I might teach you something. I want to add up something as well, you know. So this will be my buying position for Australia USD. So this will be my best buying position for Australia USD. Okay. Okay, now, guys, okay, now we already done our analysis. So far all okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So everybody managed to
Okay, sir.
all can follow, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So okay, now, okay, let me go back to the important thing that I want to discuss to you all today. Okay. Okay, let me, you want to find, okay, I just go some other currency, which I can see. Okay, just go here, I can choose any currency. So which currency you all to, you know, let us go, can give me one, any suggestion? Okay. Hello.
USD GPY.
Okay. Euro JPY. Which one?
Yes, can. Or
Okay.
USD GPY also can.
Okay, so okay, let's go to Euro GPY. Okay, or you want to go USD JPY? Okay, one and same thing, no problem. Okay, I just want you to get okay. Now this is the 15-minute chart. Okay, so when you're looking for the entry, I told you, isn't it? When you're looking for the entry, you need to look two things. Okay, one is above the moving average, then you add in the super trend here. Okay, you add in the super trend. Okay, so what the super trend gives you at the moment now, is it? Okay, at the moment the super trend gives you a sell. Okay, so what you need to do is that the moment the super trend has given you the sell, okay, this is the sell. Okay, just mark a line there, a sell. This is the way that I look. Okay, I want you all to have. So the moment you see a sell, so you need to know is already given you a sell signal. Okay, and even though the price is above, maybe the price like to make a U-turn. Okay, so whatever it is. Okay, so it's a sell here. If I want to enter this trade into a sell, which I will try to avoid as well, because it doesn't coincide with our thumb of the rule. What's the thumb of the rule? The price is above. We need to have the price to be above that particular EMA. EMA, that means we need to go buy. But here the thing is giving me a sell signal.
Sell.
Okay. Okay. So, but in order for me to train, okay, let me how that I find the entry if the thing is coincide. Let's say it's a buy and you want to look for the buy and everything. Okay. So this is on a sell now. Okay. This is on a sell, but it's above. Okay. Above line. Okay, this you can do two things. Okay, okay, I can use this particular signal. Okay, where is my best buying position now? Okay, even though the signal gives you a sell signal, answer not. Since it's above the moving average, so you want to find the best moving, best buying position. Okay, even you can go other way around. Where's my best selling position? Okay. So let me to find, okay, in the 15 minutes, it's very difficult for me to say where should I enter and where should I, enter my buy or enter my sell. So now you go back to 5 minutes. Okay, now you need to fine tune. He said you need to go to smaller time frame to fine tune your entry now. Okay, you got it or not? So you
got it.
Okay, now you fine tune in the 5-minute chart. So now I go to 5-minute chart. Since you need to do a marking here so that you don't confuse when you go to 5 minutes. So the marking is at 9:15 at 12 July, about moments ago. Okay, so then now I go to 5 minutes now. So now when I go to 5 minutes, so you saw the line here?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So you saw the line here. So now it's showing you a sell, isn't it? Okay, yes. the best selling position for this particular pair, I might go to here, but okay, here will be my best selling position. You saw that or not? This will be my best selling position. Okay. Okay, so this will be my best selling position because the price might break this. When the price is started to break this, then you need to out of the market or what, but I tell you, okay, this is my best selling position. You already got the position here. Then you go to 15 minutes now. So now you know this is my best selling position, isn't it? If you want to enter. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, correct.
This will be my best selling position if I want to enter the market. Because you got that particular position from 5-minute chart. Okay, so you got the position from the 5-minute chart. Okay, but still the price is above. See, now the price is closing, closing towards the it's above, so it's breaking our rules, isn't it? So when you see something like this, you try not to take the trade. Okay. Okay, because if you want to take the trade, you can take the trade and try to see. Then you see that now the price, what happened? It tried to rejecting, isn't it? From that particular position here. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So this is how that you try to fine tune, whether you want to enter the trade, at what position that you want to enter the trade, okay, nearer to the position. Okay, so say something like, let's say when you enter in the 5 minute, when you enter the trade nearer to this particular position, so what happened? You already made some kind of profit here, isn't it? From here to here, you already made some profit, so that's why I say try to enter, you fine tune, where's my best position for me to enter the trade. Okay, that's why I said try to have this kind of marking maybe after 2 o'clock later on. Okay, so in the morning try to use the time to learn, because morning I said there's don't much volume that's created in the market. There's no much volume that created in the market. Okay, so let's say we go USD Japan. Okay, USD Japan. Okay, USD Japan. Okay, now first we go to 15 minutes. Okay, we go to 15 minutes. Okay, when we go to 15 minutes, what is that shelling here? A sell, isn't it? You see the sell sign?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now we sell sign. So now I go for, I just do a marking there. Sell, okay. This is what is happening. Okay, this is the sell. I put a marking. Which what time is that? 9:15. So at 9:15 I got this marking. Okay. So now where should I enter the market? Because I saw a sell signal and the price is yes. Okay. I need to look for the sell signals for this particular pair. So where is my best position for me to enter sell? So now you go to 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
So now you go to 5 minutes. So you saw the 5 minute, the chart here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the chart here, then what you do? Okay, you bring this line. Okay, see this, bring this line. You so coincide. Make sure that it's break. Look here. The line cross this line. You saw that,
Yes.
So that will be my best selling position. Everybody can copy, can follow?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you saw that. That's how you fine tune. That's how you fine tune. That's why you fine tune. You need to fine tune. See, when is it? This is the sign. This marking you done it from 15 minutes. This marking you done it from 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute the marking that you're done. The straight vertical line here. Then you go to 5 minutes. So when you go to 5 minutes, so the line appear here. So on that particular bar, you saw this red line. So where the place the red line crosses your vertical line is the point of the entry. That's the point of the entry. Okay, try to take that. So what happened? What we saw that another price. Then don't look at this the buy signal on here, because you need to respect the buy signal or sell signal on your 15-minute time frame. Okay, 5 minutes you just finding out, fine tuning where should my entry will be. So you saw that or not? If you made an entry, when you look in the morning, you made an entry, you saw that exactly at that place the price is rejecting, isn't it?
Yes.
And maybe you already made few dollars here. You already made some few dollars. So that's why I said practice on this and fine tune. Sometimes you'll miss. Sometimes you'll miss. Don't worry. And so now when you enter here, you enter buy. You enter a sell here. Okay. You enter a sell here. Okay. So now you enter a sell here. Even though the price goes up and break this line. Understand or not?
Yes.
And the losses is not much, isn't it? That means you need to close your trade because it's going against you, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So the losses will be not much. So either you make a big profit here or you cut loss in a small loss.
Yes. Very good.
Okay. So this
Okay.
to give you a clearer picture, understand where should, instead of just guessing. So now you're trading with skills and the knowledge. I know. So where should, that means you have some kind of guideline. Okay, where to find on this. So now any pair you go, let's say you go for New Zealand USD, for example. Okay, New Zealand USD, you go to 15 minutes now. Then you draw a line for the 15 minutes. Draw a line on the when you got a signal then of 15 minutes, you draw a line there. So now I know in the 15 minute, I need to sell this particular trade. Okay, because I got a sell signal, but where should my entry will be? So now you go back on your 5 minute. Now you go back on your 5 minute. Okay, you saw here. So my entry will be here. Sometimes it doesn't see, my entry will be somewhere here. This is my entry, but what happened? The price, okay, this will be my entry, isn't it?
Yeah.
This will be your entry. But what happened? The price, okay, never rejected to there. So when it's not rejected there, so when the price started coming down, even this line going to come down, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So what you need to do is that you just follow trend, you know.
I'll bring it down.
Yes, then you just bring it down where when the price is started to the line started to moving down. That means you need to you know, modify your entry level line now. Okay, the moment the price is so that means price is maneuvering here, and you saw some kind of horizontal line, so that can become the best entry position now.
Yeah.
Answer now. So what happened? So the price goes to there, even though the price goes against you when you go into 15 minutes. Even though the price goes against you, answer not. You are out from the market in very small losses. You saw that or not?
Yeah.
You will escape in the small losses. Okay. So what happened here? Let's say you made entry here. Okay, well now this you made entry. So you already made some profit here. You saw that, and from here to here in the morning is about 100 pips, nearly 100 pips. So you already made the profit there, isn't it? So now, you know, any pair, and so now if you are really good, can take up this art, no need to wait for any signal. Everybody can start trading, and we just following a simple golden rule they have. With this method, I think you think everybody can do it, isn't it? Very easy.
Yes. Yeah.
Because you're not confusing, you're not learning, you're not trying to remember the formation of the candlestick, and people get confused and people got tired, you know. And this is giving you some kind of a blueprint for you, you know, what that I need to look for me to enter. Understand not? So we are talking, you know, we are talking the language, you know, the language of forex trading, you see. So that's what I'm trying to you know, to coach you all, you know. It's not difficult, you know. Why I'm so confident in this, you know, because I know, you know, we can make it. The only thing is that you need is something like we're going to university, you know, something go to university, learning one kind of trade to become a doctor and lawyer. The moment you learn the trade, and even the doctor's job is become very easy for you. And you can't do a doctor's job because you never learn the trade, you never learn the skill. Same thing in this, if you know the way when to enter the market and when you need to out of the market, then you can become a good trader. And it's become very it's become a fun. Okay, so this how that you need to, you know, earlier this is your buy entry, but the moment the price started to come down, even the graph, the red line started coming down, you need to move your entry level. That means you try to move your entry level. Okay, when the entry level started to come to the position that will be my best entry, you know, you just go in, enter the market, and then make some profit, maybe 50 pips or 100 pips, then out of the market. Okay, okay, you want to go, I can go to another example. Okay, let us go to Australia CAD. Okay, anything. Okay, you see the Australia CAD, you got a sell signal here. Okay, you see a sell 820, there's a sell signal on the, okay, no, I need to go to 15 minutes first. Okay, in the 15 minutes, you see a sell signal. It's much longer, maybe okay. This is, I got a sell signal here. Okay, just for to get you some kind of idea. So this is my sell signal. Okay, you mark at the sell signal that given on the 15-minute chart first. Okay, so now I need to look for the entry, best entry level for this Australia cat. So now I go to 5 minutes. So now I go to 5 minutes now. Okay, so now you go to 5 minutes. You need to find the, you need to go to the 5 minute. Okay, so you need to go to the 5 minute. Just hold on for a while. Huh? So now you saw the 5 minute. Okay, now the best selling position for me on this chart will be here. You saw the place that is crossed. You saw? Got it? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, 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 yes.
So you got it?
Yes,
Or not?
sir.
So you saw that or not? So when the price cross, so this is the price that with the marking that we done on the 15-minute chart. Okay, and say the place that is crossed, so this will be my best selling position. But you see when the line started to move down, okay, so you need to move down your line accordingly. Okay, when it started, you need to move down the line accordingly. Okay, so now because it's keep on changing, isn't it? Because the price is still not going, but the line is still coming down, isn't it? That means you try to trail the line. Okay, so now this become my best selling position. Okay, so this will become my best selling position. So what happened? The price started to respect that particular line, the horizontal line that is being created, and the price start to move. So when you go to 15 minutes, when you check, okay, you check here, you saw. So this is my best. So you saw the price. So you only pinpoint where to buy, isn't it? Where to sell.
Yes.
So who says it's a very difficult to trade? It's only thing whether you need to be observant, you know, observant and be serious. And say, if you can capture this trade, and say not, you can become a serious trader. And that's why I want to change, you know, I want to change the way that we want to trade, you know, how to pinpoint the points instead of just looking at the chart, you know, telling that, okay, this chart having a good week, you know, you can buy, you can sell. That's, you know, if you have no idea, still people have no idea why they're entering the trade. They're just entering the trade based on that particular candlestick formation, which will never work, because the candlestick formation will give you different direction, different interpretation. And say that the best thing is that you need to see the chart and say not use the things that available, you know, you need to find, you know, you need to have some kind of system. Okay, this is my best buying position for this particular pair, and how that I identify. So now even any pair you go, you can identify whether for me to enter, buy or sell on this particular pair. You got it or not?
Got it, sir.
Okay, so you all can practice today and start doing something.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes,
it's very interesting. I think you all got it something today, because that's why I tell every day, you know, every day I'm trying to learn something to make this particular thing fun, you know. If we are going into the journey in together, so make it a fun journey, and say not. That's why I, instead of I giving the signal and all the people never learn. So now I'm trying to, you know, sometimes I make mistakes, you know, because I got like that kind of pressure, because I'm not working for myself. I try to work for everybody. See? So that's why I say now, instead of waiting for the signal, waiting for the VIP signal and all that, I want everybody become an independent trader, look for their own signal and enter the market. And out of the market, the moment they see some kind of rejection. So now you enter the trade here. You enter the trade here. Okay. Okay. Let's say for some reason the market rejected. So when the market rejected, maybe you already made some profit, but the losses will be not much. You saw that not? Losses will be not much. Okay. So that's why you need to capture. Got it? Okay.
Got it, sir.
I
Sir,
hope.
Sir.
just a question. That means once we make a once we paste the order,
Yeah.
we also immediately we need to do the stop loss at the horizontal line.
Stop loss, you don't need to put a stop loss. If you put a stop loss, then I say you need to trade. When you enter the trade, and say no, the moment you started seeing some kind of profit, just out of the profit, then look for another thing. So, if you attended my training yesterday, you know what I said? Every day, if you got minimum 20 pips profit, consistent, that's very good already, isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
So if you want to earn 400 pips or whatever it is, up to you. That is, say, instead of waiting on one particular trade for longer pips, why not you just capture small pips in a few trades? So this will be a very interesting if you're really that's why I said, see, sometimes I lose this kind of opportunity. This is a very good opportunity. Oh, that's why I ask people to try to focus on one particular trade, or one particular chart, when they're taking a charge or responsibility on that particular chart, so they can see the signs much more better. And the moment they see the sign, they just advise in the VIP group. And so sometimes, when I started scrolling one, sometimes I miss, I become very tired. So that's why I said I created the VIP group in a different way. That means everybody take responsibility on one particular chart. So they just look at that particular chart, okay? But you still can go other chart. If you can find something on other chart that people are missing out, you can inform as well. But your main chart will be the chart that you are selected, you see. Then when you see some kind of opportunity on that particular chart, then tell everybody that we found some kind of selling opportunity here. Have a look, so everybody will try to look on that particular chart, enter the trade, if they find that can be a good sign for them. Okay, so that's the reason that I asked if whoever committed, just suggest yourself. This is like helping each other instead of scrolling from one pair to another pair where we will miss out the chances. And so this will give you a better scanning of the chart with instead of one person, we're relying with few people, you see. So that's the reason that I come up with this particular way of approach. So hope if whoever not committed, just tell me, and so let's see how this works on, this week, how that goes on. Okay, so that's why I already given you the tips. I'm not keeping anything for myself. Okay, I'm not keeping, I'm not keeping anything for myself. I just giving to you all, how I look at the chart, how I do make money and all that. Okay, and by using this 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart, fine tune, fine tune my approach and the entry level. Okay, I think we had enough for today. I just don't want to drag. I want to make the morning session as a suite, try to make it within 1 hour so that everybody have their own thing and all that. If we try to drag longer hours, then people will try, avoid coming in the morning. So I want to make as sweet as possible. If anything, the new way that I find it, then we can trail. If any mistake that you're done on the previous day, we can discuss here as well, so that we are aware, where the mistake that we are done, why, so we can fine tune, we can fine tune our approach, because every day in a forex is a new things, we learn new things. My focus is I just want to make this trading as a fun. The fun only created when we are doing it as a group. Okay, if you don't do it as a group, you won't be a fun trader. You will become a boring trader because you're hooked up in front of so let us do as a team, help each other. Okay, try to give this opportunity to many people outside there during this pandemic. by even depression. They can out of the depression, when they're looking something, they get some kind of hope is given to them, that through this trading now you can make some kind of money, even though they lost the job, and so they can depend on themselves. The whole world can cheat them, so you cannot trust anybody in the world, but yourself is the main person that will never, you need to trust yourself. Okay, so let it make it happen, see how it goes. So hope we all see some kind of profit this week. Hope this will be a good trading week for you all, with this new approach that I've been introducing to you all, to look where to enter. Okay, that morning trading, that analysis is just a view, overall view. Okay, it's not finding an entry point. You cannot find an entry point from the morning, because the market can react a different way later on. Okay, so this is the best way for you to find the entry point. Okay, during the time. Okay, guys, I think if you are not there, we can just finish with our session today. All good?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Super, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, Hakim.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very
Yes,
much,
Mr.
sir.
For the super trend,
Yes.
yes, some several super trend.
Yes.
Which one we use?
Okay, you use, okay, I'll send you the WhatsApp. So I give you the WhatsApp. You just go there. Wait, okay, just wait. I just had the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you go to search here. Okay. You go to VJ.
Yes.
VJ2.
VJ2.
You see the VJ2?
That's two.
The first one here. With the
expert.
see, six.
Oh, six.
This the
Two,
more people like. Okay, this more people
Oh.
use. Don't go for
like that.
go for the highest one people are using.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay then.
Understand.
Okay then. So.
Yeah, thank you for today.
Okay.
Session, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
then.
you.
Okay then.
Thank you, everyone.
I will post that video again so that you can recall again if you want to refresh.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Segran. Segran, your mic.
Yeah, USD chef.
Yes.
அது நீங்க 5 minutes இது பண்ண 5 minutes இது பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 buy point இருக்குயா.
Was that?
Yeah, USD chef.
Okay.
You check for 5 minutes order பாருங்க. 5 minutes order USD chef 5 minutes order drop shot.
USD chef.
Yeah, there are 2.
Okay.
There's பாருங்க 2 green dark greens இருக்கு. Lowest point now. It's under buy signal sell signal.
Okay.
It's under buy or sell signal.
Okay. See, now on the buy. So now it's going on the buy, isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
It's 5 minutes, sir.
Okay. It's say that's 5 minutes. Okay. We need to go buy signal and all that on the என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க on a 15 minutes. So 15 minutes showing us sell, isn't it? So you need to see where's my best selling position. Okay, the best my selling position. So after you find here, you need to go to 5 minutes. Okay, so my best selling position, you see the mark here.
Yeah.
Don't care about this buy signal here. Don't look at the 5 minutes in the buy signal. Okay, what I'm telling you is that, so now I need to look for the sell. So my sell opportunity is here, isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
So this is my going to be my sell opportunity. So that's how that you need to fine tune. Fine tune. That will be my best selling. See, the price is trying to respect again to that particular line. You saw that or not? So even
using a USD Japan or USD CHF?
USD Japan.
I'm doing USD CHF.
USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF. What the signal is giving? The signal is giving a sell, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, the signal is giving me a sell. Okay, so the even without looking 5-minute chart, you can just look at this particular chart, and you know this can be my best selling position. But I tell you, isn't it? You know, instead of you entering the sell, even though it's giving you a sell now, so now it's still a morning. See, say according to, that's why I do the analysis in the morning and say no, telling that what is the, see the price, there's a chances the price can move up also, isn't it? There's chances for the price to move up. So see, that's why you can see the price is you know, it's trying to move up and down. So that's why I said always try to enter the trade after 2 p.m. because after 2 p.m. it gives you a better indication, because at the moment the price is trying to getting the momentum, is still not respecting a lot of things. Okay, so like USD, like USD Japan, like USD Australia, Japan, all these things you can see some kind of movement in the morning because their market is open in the morning. But when come to USD CHF and all that, the market is still not opened yet, you know. So the market is open after your CHF is Swiss, so the market is in Europe, so the market is still not opened yet. Answer no. So you don't get some kind of very good signal in the morning. Okay, so the morning what we are doing is that we are just coaching, you know, make sure that you understand how to find the entry when the market open later on. Okay, even by not, if you are good, sometimes I don't look on the 5-minute chart, I just go on a 15-minute chart, I find my entry. But you want to pinpoint, you know, where is the best entry, then you go to 5-minute chart. If you want to become a scalper, I'll teach you the way how to do scalping also, you know, that is with 1 minute. You can go to 1 minute, because maybe this particular Sunday or what, a Saturday or what, I'll try to teach you how that you can do a scalping using a 1 minute chart. Understand now? That means you can earn small profit and out, you know, small, just like video game, you see. Understand now? So you enter the market, you know, you just need to select one pair, then go for it. That is like 1 minute time frame. We use a time frame. See, all this time frame is created for some reason. Okay, for us, that means you can select. So different method, you need to use a different time frame for you to enter the market. If you're long-term trader, that means you're looking at investing the particular currency for a long term, where you need to have a big equity. Then you go for daily chart, even weekly chart, even people go for monthly chart. That is called long term, because they're holding the trade for months. They will tend to hold the trade for months. And so that is a big time traders, you know, these are all-time traders where they hold the trade for many months. They don't worry of the price rejecting. And so on. So we are like holding a small capital, and so on. Then we can't hold for long if the market reject, because we're having small capital. That's why try to, even though you can hold the trade for longer, if you have enough capital and your trade is very small, where you can hold the trade until the trade hit TP. And so now sometimes we cannot manage that. That's why we tend to close the trade in a loss and everything, because we are not investors. Okay, we are just a normal traders, a retail traders, we call it. Okay, so, so that's the thing. So that's why you will catch up in the line how to enter the trade. And that's why I say in the morning time is the best time for you to learn, identify. Okay, and even if you find some good entry in the morning time, so go for it. I not say you can't find any good entry. You can do some good entries. That's why I say in the morning time, you want to find a good entry, find on a Japanese pair, Australian pair, and New Zealand pair. Okay, These the three pair that you need to look for the morning trade. Other than that trade, you need to look after evening, because sometime on the morning trade, you know, this particular Japan pair, Australia can give you some kind of volume because the market is open for them. So that's why you see which pair that you need to go for morning trade and which pair that you need to concentrate on the evening pair. So don't try to confuse on the situation. Got it?
Okay,
Got
sir.
it, sir.
Okay then.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So hope all the best for you all today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, everybody.
Have a
Okay
nice day.
then. Take care.
Thank you, sir. See you, sir.
Okay, then.